Yesterday, I showed the OTC desks, and they were very bare, very bare indeed. There was like less than 3,000 Bitcoin on the OTC desks, and that's disappears in a day. But knowing how much is theoretically available for trading, it's important to look at these two stats here. So you can't look at supply as well in a single metric. You need to look at many metrics. But this came from Crypto Slate, and they looked at a bunch of on-chain metrics, including UTXOs and accumulation addresses, to better get a feel for exactly what's tradable and how the supply is tightening. And you can see here, if you focus your eye on the green line and the red line, you will see these are the red line is the UTXO spend, and the green is the UTXO created. Both are down, which means very few now are actually selling. And unspent transaction outputs, UTXOs, are essential in understanding the Bitcoin network. UTXOs are the amount of Bitcoin that remains unspent and stored in a wallet after a transaction. And it's a fundamental indicator of Bitcoin's liquidity movements. And here, what's key is, I think around February 1st, the number of created UTXOs stood at 1.304 million, which decreased to 1.1 million in just 2 weeks. That is down hard. And the number of spent UTXOs remained relatively stable, and this drop suggests that there has been a decrease in the willingness to transfer Bitcoin between addresses, i.e. people are hodling, and it's becoming very scarce. In addition, due to the dip, and I have my own reasons and theories as to why Bitcoin dips so hard after a big day like Friday, but anyway, 120 million in longs were wrecked, most of them being shorts over the last 24 hours.